Here's how contact and firearm pages work in FFLSafe. FFLSafe keeps track of all the contacts and firearms that you have entered in the past. This makes it easy to do business with recurring customers as well as keep track of your inventory. Here's how to easily view one of your contact pages. Simply click here, then click the contact whose details you want to view. There, you will find the contact's core information, such as their name and address, as well as any other optional information you may have filled in for your own records. You can also keep notes about specific customers, see their past transactions with you, and see a history of edits made to their page. You can ban the contact as well, which prevents you from accidentally doing business with them in the future. You can also view current firearms through the inventory page. Bear in mind that if a firearm has already been disposed, it is no longer in inventory and you should find it through the bound book. Pick a firearm below to see its details. The firearms page shows its core information, such as the make, model, serial, importer, and caliber. In addition, you can view the optional information you have filled in for your own records. You can keep notes on the firearm, as well as see past transactions with that firearm and a history of any edits made to it. Contact and firearm pages are also helpfully linked within the bound book. This makes it easy to find extra information when needed.